Good afternoon, everybody. It's lovely to be here. We're going to send you some soundings, some hollers, some shouts, some calls, and some postcards this afternoon. Starting in this high atrium, then from Macedonia, the coast of Cornwall, from Portishead, from Turkey, from Palestine, the jungle at Calais, and from the Me Too movement, and all women holding on tight to their bodily autonomy in the States right now. We send postcards. We send postcards. This set goes out to everyone who puts women forwards, those who make space, call out misogyny, and cheer from the sidelines, and is dedicated to magnificent women everywhere. We are Feisty Choir.